Awesome. This is one to focus today because this is what they call Chel Snakehead. And according to this information here, only four axes in the world. But I want to focus and see whether we have this in our place. I think khasi jingi we call it thli. Thli khasi we don't put you balong wrong blue but young. They take a bagi ihni gadur. Tingin pa iki pro jinga sa sdong. Bakin hakor biglay kwai bakin shandur singa. Dan peningin ang don em kumuni jait fin barki ong ba udon tang south li ka butay. Ki udon hang ni jika way. But lightly udon sibi pat jika handlay yo an bu hang ni way. So kalau jika baru na sdong na sa taiwar jigi so vaya pailam idon em kunu jait li. Akwa ban wan peningin ni sa sian ban bagi gibriu kin tip larang idon nela dari idon tikalong wasbun. Panlok baru uni thli bangi si ong mi. Thì ở đây udot thli khasi ai jeka jigi udon kini udot thli tang bahang ne bde ngam te gade shishan em kyong ba kum kini idon satang southly ki badang em hani haprathai only four axes in the world. I'm not sure whether this is true or not, but usually this is the kind of a snakehead fish that we have in our place. Sai pet ki perlok bda shishdong de nim de shishaw ne. Need to do feel bagi ang don stang southly ang pertay broke away. Only four axes in the world. But I believe we have this plenty in our place. Kamtam hikiwa kasi jungi idang don ko binigi thli. Iba itanat magdarong the long blue. Take along kumta buniro they long blue. Guys, let's have a look. This is what they call as the Chel Snakehead. Okay, here you see the name. Chel Snakehead, and this is what they said. Only four axes in the world. Okay, I would request all of my friends from my village to check whether we have this kind of fish or not in our place. Tin shonji caught new thli khasi. There's no doubt that we don't have this one.